All right, everyone. Today we are going to go through the Leetcode number 200, number of islands. So for this question, we can do DFS, BFS, or UnionFind to tackle this problem. And firstly, please let me tackle this problem with DFS. So basically, the idea is very simple. So travelers try to start DFS from every from every block of this grid, and then to see whether it's an independent island, and if it's already visited, I don't do DFS for this round. Let's do the implementation. So first of all, I get the row number and the column number of the grid, and then do the iteration block by block. For DFS, I need to check whether it's a visited one. I use set to maintain this status, and if RC is not in visit, and this is an island, this is a land, I'll do the DFS traversal. And then, after this traversal, I can do update the counter and then return the counter as the number of the islands. So I'll have the definition of DFS here. I need to explore the adjacent lane horizontally and vertically. So this is a 4-direction traversal. I need to define down, right, down, left, up, and then to make sure the next block is an island. I think this is the thing. So let's do a test, run the code, and see any typo we have, or we yeah, this is a typo. I typed one more. The output is 9. It's kind of like it has everything. So 9 times of visit at RC. It's not in visit. So it looks like the visitor set is not correctly updated here. Let me check RC. I'll print out the visit set out here. So every time, oh, it's not in, and it's not in, yeah, from that title. Okay, so I think we can have the correct answer for this version of code. The next one I can go to UnionFind solution. So I still need this part, the definition of R and C. And then for UnionFind, I have a set to denote the parent node, and then I'll prepare a count to maintain the current connected component in this graph. And this graph might be a forest. I can do the same thing, like to traverse everything. For this one, I need to check current node every time. This is a UnionFind find operation. And to union the adjacent island, adjacent land to current island, to check whether current block is an island. And then same, I need to traverse the 4 directions here. And I can also see the make sure it's also aligned here. And then check to check whether it's to check whether we need to merge the current island from RC to expand this island to new NR in C, like next row, next column. So check if they are belong to different connected component, we need to union them together. For this operation. So every time we need to the rank, and every time we do the find, we might do the rank compression here. So we need to check every time PA, PB, and then maintain the counter, because at this operation we merge two to one. So the overall the connected component will be a -1. So return the overall answer as the counter first element of the counter array, but as a global global variable. So we finish the template of UnionFind. Fine. So return. So let's go through the basic logic here. Here we explore every grid with a value of 1 as the island, and then we traverse the 4 adjacent blocks of the current block to see whether current element can be expanded to its next block. If they are not connected yet, we do the union operation and then maintain the number of the connected component on this graph. But whenever we had opened a new new island, and then we just every time we add 1 to maintain to count it as the new connected component in this graph. So by doing so, whenever we have a new one, we add the counter at 1, and then whenever we meet another one, the counter -1. We have the answer. Always maintain the kinetic component here. So let's look into the code, do a test to see whether we can have the right answer. Okay, by doing so, we can also have AC. Okay, this is this is today's challenge, like number of islands.